विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। परेड वेस्ट। श्रीमान टूर डिफेंस एकेडमी प्रथम कप कोर्स 2 दीक्षांत समारोह परेड 106 कैडेट परेड पर परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए धन्यवाद। श्रीमान 2 years
Lieutenant General G.S. Negi, a highly decorated former commandant of the Indian Military Academy, is our chief guest on this auspicious and solemn occasion. Known for his distinguished service and leadership, he served with the Gorkha Rifles and has been honored with the Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and the Param Vishisht Seva Medal. Commissioned into the 3x3 Gorkha Rifles in 1965, he held several important command and instructional appointments, including United Nations peacekeeping missions. He also served as the chairman of the Uttarakhand Public Service Commission and retired in September 2020. Sir, we are honored to welcome you today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is now ready. along with the parade commander, Cadet Siddhant Tiwari, to showcase their very best before our chief guest and you all.
बीस कदम के फासले पर कौन अपने मंच से गुजरेगा? गार्ड पहले, परेड! तीन अंतिम पैदल चढ़ेगा। लाइटें, गुड!
Ladies and gentlemen, leading the parade is the Guard Platoon under the command of Platoon Commander Cadet Priyanshu Rawat. This platoon comprises the finest cadets of the Academy, selected for their exceptional drill standards, leadership qualities and exemplary conduct. They have earned the honor of leading today's parade and setting the standard for all formations that follow.
Marching next is Uphill, proudly bearing the sacred flag. Under the command of Platoon Commander Cadet Anjali Yadav, this contingent comprises the cadets of Girls Division, presenting a composed, confident and disciplined formation on the parade ground. Anjali House moves forward with determination, carrying the spirit of dedication and service in every step. This marks the first girls' coach to pass out from this academy.
Marching next is Jal House under the command of Platoon Commander Cadet Raghavendra Yadav. Marching at the center of the parade, Jal House sets a fine example of balance, discipline and composure. Steady and synchronized movement reflects teamwork, responsibility and quiet strength.
Following Jal House is Thal House, under the command of Platoon Commanders Cadet Divyanshu Khadka. Their precise and well-coordinated drill reflects the highest standards of training and discipline at this academy. Thal House stands as a symbol of reliability, endurance and unwavering commitment.
Marching next is Vayu House under the command of Platoon Commander Cadet Aryan Kumar Singh. Vayu House reflects dynamic leadership, energy, aspiration and a spirit to remain on top. Their sharp movements and alert posture showcase confidence, focus and the drive to rise higher. As these houses now march together, we witness a powerful display of unity and diversity.
Though different in identity, together they move as one disciplined force, guided by a shared purpose and a common sense of duty.
This formation stands as a living symbol of teamwork, coordination and the collective spirit of this academy.
Now, I would like to request our Commandant Sir to come upon and share the academic history of the Academy.
Greetings and good morning to everyone. On behalf of Doon Defence Academy, I and all students extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest today, Lieutenant General G.S. Negi sir, and other distinguished guests. This course 2 which is passing out probably is going to meet the same standards as had been established by course 1 before them last year. And to summarize it, more than 30% people scoring 90% and above in board exams, and many of them, substantial number, qualifying for National Defence Academy and technical entry schemes for Army and Navy. and substantial number in the Merchant Navy as well. So overall, the course had done extremely well. What we gathered from the academic performance and other performance in sports and extracurricular activities of this course, we are quite hopeful that this course will repeat the same history again, and our blessings and good wishes to all of them. And leave the podium for our chief guest for a few words for the encouragement of children. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to witness the passing out parade of the second foundation course, DDA, Pratham Pag. DDA is a unique institution, and I'm so glad that you established this institution in Uttarakhand, Dehradun, for young boys and girls from across the country to come here and do the training. And Pratham Pag is a unique experiment where young boys and girls are turned into men and women of substance. You know, the officer-like qualities are all written here. I was reading them and I said, yes, Mr. Gupta has not missed out anything. They're all there. And you boys and girls who do training here, every day you come here, you read these, try to imbibe them. And I can see a quotation right behind you, nothing is impossible. But coming to today's passing out parade that I witnessed, I'm taken back to 2004 when I was Commandant Indian Military Academy, and I saw young boys passing out, and I can tell you, you're no less. Well done. Well done, boys and girls who took part, and well done the staff, the mentors who trained you. I'll tell you one secret of success. Shortcut to success, shortest cut is hard work. Hard work से ही काम चलता है. Believe me, you. And second secret is that whatever job you get, enjoy. अरे मैं मिजोरम में पोस्ट हो गया, क्या होगा? You know, that attitude is not good. Wherever you go, whatever job you are given, enjoy. ये दो मंत्र छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ आपके पास. It's a hard journey, no doubt, but you will make it. Good luck and Godspeed. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Your words were truly inspiring and motivating for all of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to commemorate the cadets present in this parade who have demonstrated exceptional potential and outperformed.
Award winner! Line up!
Cadet Vihan Ketan Yagnik, academics acing them. Badminton, shuttles fear him. The hoop feels personally targeted in basketball. This cadet proves that balance isn't just a life skill, it's a lifestyle.
Jai Shivan! Jai Shivan!
Cadet Khushi has been able to consistently maintain high performance in academics ever since the beginning, showcasing how diligent and determined she chooses to be. Cadet Anand Raj played under 19 cricket representing 6 states, appeared for various debates, quizzes, equalizing his best performance in academics as well.
Jai Shriman. Jai Shriman.
Cadet Anjali Yadav. She has not just distinguished herself in the classroom, where her dedication to learning and consistent performance are commendable, but also on the sports field, where she represents versatility, passion from basketball and football to athletics.
Parade! Madhya San.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at a sacred and symbolic ritual, the passing of the flags. This tradition represents the transfer of responsibility, honor, and trust from our senior cadets to the next generation. First, we have the saffron flag of Agni House, carried by the flag bearer Anvesha Mewada. The saffron flags represent the fiery spirit of the house.
Next, we have the white flag of Jal House, carried by the flag bearer Kumar Shaurya. Jal House flag represents adaptability and calm strength.
We next have the green flag of Thal House, carried by the flag bearer Nagendra Kandari. Thal House flag represents endurance and stability.
And at last, we have the blue flag of Vayu House, carried by the flag bearer Shiva Kumar. Vayu House flag represents endurance and stability.
दोनों को बारी बारी से धीरे चाल से अंतिम पथ से गुजरेगा। परेड! जय भाई को जय भाई से धीरे चल।
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade has now reached its most solemn and significant moment, the Antim Pag or the final step. With this slow, measured and dignified march, our senior cadets now move towards the gate, marking the formal conclusion of their training journey at this academy. It is a moment where discipline meets emotion and transition meets tradition.
Every step taken during this final march carries the weight of two transformative years. Years defined by unwavering discipline, physical and mental endurance, early mornings before dawn, relentless drills under the sun, strict routines, personal sacrifice, and an unbreakable bond forged through shared struggle.
जिनके जीवन में युद्ध नहीं है, वे भी बड़े अभागे होंगे। या तो प्रण को तोड़ा होगा, या तो रण से भागे होंगे। The gate they pass through today does not mark an end. It marks a beginning, the beginning of a life guided by purpose, responsibility, and the standards they have pledged to uphold. From instruction to responsibility, from cadets in training to confident individuals prepared to face life with courage, clarity, and conviction. Course 2 key!
Course to key! Course to key! Course कोर्स 2 की।
Ladies and gentlemen, we sincerely thank you for your presence, encouragement and support, making the passing out parade a truly memorable and proud occasion for all of us at this academy.
आपने अगर एक टाइम पे ले लिया यू आर अ विनर मेडिकल प्रोजेक्ट एक साथ
जय हिंद। आज आप विटनेस बने होंगे पासिंग आउट परेड फाउंडेशन कोर्स 2 के, एंड आई एम श्योर जिसने भी ये परेड देखी होगी इन बच्चों की, इन कैडेट्स की, एनडीए और आईएमए और आईएनए या एयरफोर्स एकेडमी के जो कैडेट्स परेड करते हैं उससे किसी भी लिहाज से कम नहीं थी। और इस बात का जो प्रमाण था, इस बात का जो माना वो हमारे चीफ गेस्ट, जो आज के हमारे चीफ गेस्ट थे लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल गंभीर सिंह नेगी जी, जो फॉर्मर कमांडेंट रह चुके हैं आईएमए के 2003 में। उन्होंने इस चीज़ को खुद अपने स्वयं अपने मुंह से कहा है कि वो हमारे कैडेट्स की पासिंग आउट परेड किसी भी ट्रेनिंग एस्टेब्लिशमेंट से कम नहीं थी। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं पूरी टीम को और पूरे कैडेट्स को कांग्रेचुलेशन कहना चाहता हूँ, और उस टीम को जिन्होंने उसको रेडी किया, जो हमारी डेडिकेटेड टीम है दून डिफेंस एकेडमी की। और अब ये रेडी हैं अपने 12th के बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम के लिए, एंड उसके बाद एनडीए, टीएस एंट्री, मर्चेंट नेवी के जितने भी एग्ज़ाम हैं उन सब के लिए दे आर रेडी नाउ। एंड आई एम श्योर लाइक फर्स्ट बैच, सेकंड जो हमारा बैच है फरतंपक कोर्स 2 का भी, इसमें से भी बहुत सारे बच्चे 95+ 12th में परसेंटेज लेके आएंगे, एंड बहुत सारे बच्चे एनडीए, टीएस एंट्री और मर्चेंट नेवी में सेलेक्ट होंगे और डिफरेंट एंट्रीज में सेलेक्ट होकर यूनिफॉर्म पहनेंगे। जिस सपने को लेके, जिस लक्ष्य को लेके उन्होंने 2 साल पहले दून डिफेंस एकेडमी ज्वाइन की थी। तो जिन्होंने भी ये सब देखा है, यही एक ख़ास बात है दून डिफेंस एकेडमी की। यहाँ पर जो ट्रेनिंग है, जो पढ़ाई है, जो माहौल है, वो जस्ट लाइक एनडीए। इसीलिए बहुत सारे लोग डीडीए को मिनी एनडीए कहते हैं। तो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं आपके बच्चे भी इसी राह पर चलें, इसी तरह से उनकी ट्रेनिंग रहे, इसी तरह से उनकी ग्रूमिंग रहे, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट संदीप सर, दून डिफेंस एकेडमी। इस वीडियो को जरूर शेयर कर दें, एंड वंस अगेन दिल की गहराइयों से, क्योंकि ये सारे बच्चे मेरे अपने बच्चों जैसे हैं, इनको मैं इनके फ्यूचर के लिए शुभकामनाएं कहना चाहता हूँ। एंड आई एम श्योर एक दिन वो भी ये यूनिफॉर्म पहन के अपने पेरेंट्स, अपने टीचर, अपने देश का नाम रोशन करेंगे, जैसे कोर्स 1 ने किया। शेयर दिस वीडियो। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद।
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.